back to Homes Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to elevating your living space, inside and out. Today, we're venturing outdoors to explore the captivating realm of eclectic patio decor and tips for decorating stylish patio outdoor living space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Attention homeowners! Do you yearn to transform your patio into a vibrant extension of your unique style? Then look no further than the captivating world of eclectic patio decor. This design philosophy transcends conventional trends, embracing a delightful mix of colors, patterns, and textures to create a space that reflects your individuality. But what exactly is eclectic patio decor? Eclecticism, in the realm of interior design, throws open the doors to a symphony of styles. Imagine a harmonious blend of vintage finds, modern accents, and global influences, all working together to create a space that is both visually stimulating and undeniably personal. On your eclectic patio, a weathered wooden table might share the stage with sleek metal chairs, while vibrant throw pillows and a kaleidoscope of patterns add a touch of whimsy. The key lies in creating a cohesive whole, even amidst the delightful disarray. What are the benefits of choosing eclectic patio decor style? The benefits of embracing an eclectic patio decor style are numerous, such as: first, express yourself. Eclectic design allows you to curate a space that reflects your passions and personality. Love flea market finds? Incorporate those vintage gems. Adore Moroccan textiles? Let them adorn your patio furniture. The possibilities are boundless. Second, budget flexibility. Eclecticism isn't about splurging on the latest trends. It's about creating a space you love through thoughtful curation. Repurpose old furniture, hunt for treasures at flea markets, and mix high and low pieces to achieve stunning results without breaking the bank. Third, timeless appeal. Eclectic design isn't concerned with fleeting fads. By prioritizing personal preference over fleeting trends, your eclectic patio will remain a source of joy for years to come. Now, let's delve into the exciting world of creating your very own eclectic patio haven. How do I decorate my patio to look eclectic? Ready to unleash your inner designer? Here's a step-by-step guide to achieve an eclectic patio. First, define your base. Start with a neutral base, like a natural stone patio or a simple wooden deck. This creates a clean canvas for your eclectic elements to shine. Second, mix and match furniture. Don't be afraid to combine different furniture styles. A wrought iron bistro set can perfectly complement a plush mid-century sofa. Third, play with textures. Layer textures to add visual interest. Think woven throws on wicker chairs, or a sisal rug under a wrought iron table. Fourth, embrace color. Eclecticism thrives on color. Introduce pops of color with throw pillows, vibrant plants, or a statement rug. Fifth, accessorize with intention. Don't clutter your patio. Choose statement pieces that reflect your personality, like vintage planters, quirky sculptures, or a colorful outdoor lamp. And to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 best eclectic patio decor ideas. 1. Mismatched furniture. Don't be afraid to forego a matching set. A mix of chairs, benches, and ottomans in an array of styles adds instant personality. 2. Vintage touches. Introduce timeless charm with vintage finds like a weathered wooden table or a quirky metal watering can. 3. Global influences. Embrace the world by incorporating textiles, rugs, or artwork that evoke faraway lands. 4. Pops of color. Inject vibrancy with brightly colored throw pillows, a patterned rug, or a playful outdoor umbrella. 5. Layered textures. Create visual interest by combining textures like woven wicker furniture with smooth ceramic planters. 6. Lighting magic. String lights, lanterns, and strategically placed candles set the mood for enchanting evenings. 7. Greenery galore. Surround yourself with lush greenery. Potted plants, hanging ferns, and climbing vines add life and a touch of the natural world. 8. Outdoor art. Let your personality shine with eye-catching outdoor sculptures or colorful wall hangings. 9. Upcycled treasures. Give old items a new lease on life. Repurpose a vintage ladder as a plant stand or an old suitcase as an end table. 10. The unexpected delight. Don't be afraid to include a unique piece that sparks conversation, like a vintage bicycle or a quirky bird bath. Remember, the key to eclectic design is to curate with intention. Choose pieces that resonate with you and create a harmonious whole. How to decorate eclectic patio decor on a budget. Eclectic design thrives on resourcefulness. Here are some tips for creating your haven on a budget. 1. Shop flea markets and thrift stores. These treasure troves offer a wealth of unique finds at a fraction of the cost. 2. Repurpose and upcycle. Give old furniture and household items a new lease on life with a fresh coat of paint or a creative transformation. 3. Embrace DIY projects. Get crafty and create your own decorative elements like painted pebbles, wind chimes, or outdoor string art. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can achieve a stunning eclectic patio that reflects your unique personality without breaking the bank. Your patio should be an extension of your home, a space that reflects your individuality and sparks joy. By embracing the freedom of eclectic design, you can create a haven that's both visually captivating and undeniably you. So, unleash your creativity, embrace the unexpected, and get ready to transform your patio into an eclectic escape. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.